The National Weather Service in Kansas City has issued a tornado warning for Caldwell County in northwestern Missouri, northern Clay County in northwestern Missouri, northwestern Ray County in northwestern Missouri, southeastern Clinton County in northwestern Missouri, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles east to southeast of Smithville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Polo, Kearney, Lawson, Smithville, Elmira, Lathrop, Holt, Kingston, and Caldwell. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time tomorrow morning for the following counties in the listening area: Atchison, Bates, Andrew, Clay, Caldwell, Ray, Lafayette, Clinton, Carroll, Livingston, Johnson, Henry, Platte, Cass, Pettis, Saline, Howard, Cooper, Jackson, Sheridan, Mercer, Gentry, Harrison, Holt, Davies, Grundy, DeKalb, Worth, Buchanan, and Nottoway. To repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Caldwell, Clay, Ray, and Clinton.